Hi, Steve Muller from Vantage Realty Professionals here, and today I read a really interesting article, and what it was stating was that 1 out of every 10 properties in the Charlotte area is selling to iBuyers. Now, what iBuyers are companies that are hedge fund backed that are purchasing properties for cash in as-is condition. Why do most people do this? Well, it's not because they want to put the most money in their pocket. It's because they don't have a whole lot of time to sell, or they aren't in a position to prepare their home for sale. So is that a good idea? Yeah, for some people it absolutely is, but for others it isn't. Now, what if I was to tell you that we could help you shop multiple different options? So what we actually do is we have multiple different cash companies that may be able to purchase your home for cash in as-is condition, but we also have 2 other options. One's called our trade-in program, which allows you to stay in your home and purchase your next before selling your present home. And then, of course, we can talk to you about our retail program as well, which is your traditional sales models. Now, most companies don't have all 3 options, but we do, and what we're looking at is to consult you to help you figure out the best way to put the most money in your pocket. Once again, we have the cash option, we have the trade-in program option, and then we also have the retail option. So give us a call today. That way we can talk with you and explain what we feel like the best option for you is to put the most money in your pocket. Thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.